Go and panka with them.
Stacy, personally speaking, why don't you join me?
I don't know if I should cut my nails or not. They've just been growing and growing, and I mean, I was enjoying them, to be honest. I was enjoying them. And then I started to feel like a handicap. But then I just loved to see, just how they were just growing and, just doing so well with nothing. But I'm beginning to feel even more like a handicap. But I don't want to cut them. Inevitably, I will end up cutting them during the winter because winter and this definitely not going to work. I don't know what to do. I don't normally grow my nails this long because I am always in the dirt outside and, what should I do? What should I do? I mean, it's not that serious, but I was just about to cut them and I'm like, no, let's do a video with them. And then decide if I should cut them. Yeah, so what should I do? Should I cut them? Leave them? Go and panka with them? It's not that serious. I know. Just...
Like, share, and subscribe. Put a comment below this. Check out the description.